Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. Solana is making wave. I don't know if you noticed this pattern on the 4-hour time frame, but I want to show you that pattern. At the moment you can see that Solana actually came down like this, move sideways, up. So what did you make? If you know anything about trading, or if you don't know anything about trading, that's known as a bear flag. Okay, so normally this appears all the time in crypto, especially in a downtrend, and we're now down at 14.97. I told you yesterday that I'm not buying into this pump to the upside for Solana, and the technical target for Solana, basically I want to actually dive into the daily so that I can show you a clear one. So first of all, you had 3 black rows, and which is a continuation pattern, 3 red candles back to back, a little bit of a green candle, and now you're looking to pop even lower. So basically you could be looking for Solana to go from that top to the bottom, and this is where you're breaking out. So this is going to be a very straightforward update, nothing fancy here, and you could be looking to go to $5.75. Now what I want to say for Solana is, if you want to flip bullish, okay, we are looking for technical targets down to like 5.7 and potentially $4, which is my take. If you want to get bullish all of a sudden, or if it becomes bullish, we really need Solana to go above $39. For me, if you ever see Solana making it above $39, then Solana has bottomed out. It has bottomed out completely. But keep in mind, watch yesterday's video, because I talked about this monthly cycle, where we had accumulation down there, reaccumulation, you went up for distribution, you went down for redistribution, and you're looking to come down to nearly $4 or $3.8 for that accumulation to begin again, and then you can move to the higher side of it. Now keep in mind, we don't want to see Solana ever going to below $1.06. If it goes below $1.06, this cycle is going to be invalidated. Okay, and when the cycle gets invalidated, we might see something really ugly for Solana. We might be looking for new lows to the downside. That's like killing the coin itself, and that we don't want to see that happen at all. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.